Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable video call effects on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on advanced features. Then go down and tap on video call effects to switch it on or off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can change the background effects to no effects, blur, color, or an image. Now the available apps that currently available to use the video effects is Duo, and you can also tap on the preview button to have a preview. You can see here when I'm using the front camera, it actually set a custom background. I can choose a color. I can choose blur, so it will blur my background. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on video call effects on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Finally, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.